us to thank each and every one of you for continuously showing up every day, ready to serve with patience and compassion. It's because of that dedication that Health School continues to thrive.
For everyone who did their best to make this event very successful. This event is always to our representatives for all your effort, for all your successes. Again, thank you very much everyone, and give a round of applause to them.
Thank you so much, Owen. Joe, thank you, Clark. Team.